Hola, hola. Hoy vamos a hablar sobre estructura 11.3, los reflexivos recíprocos. Entonces, esto se llama el C recíproco. ¿Sí? And we know, approaching an infinitive verb, that it is going to be reciprocal because it has that say on the end. Right? If we're just going to conjugate a verb without knowing anything about it, then we look for that say. But we also look for that say to decide whether or not it's reflexive. So really all we're dealing with today is a subset of the reflexive verbs, which is the reciprocal. So reflexive means that it reflects back on the subject, right? So the person who is receiving the action is the same person who is doing the action. The reciprocal say is where action is exchanged in reciprocity. So one person does it to another, the other person does it back. Okay, it could be at the same time. Usually it is. Okay, so let's go over our reflexive pronouns. We have me, te, se, nos, os, se. So if it's reciprocal, by even the meaning, so inherent to our reciprocal pronouns, we are only going to talk today about these guys right here. So this is singular, and this entire column is plural. Okay, so let me give you an example. Nos vemos. Yes, it means see you later, but literally it means we see each other, right? Nos vemos. Nos saludamos. Nos hablamos. We don't really use a lot of the vosotros, so I'm going to skip over that. But we could use it in the ustedes form, right? So we could say, ustedes se entienden. You all understand each other. Ustedes se ven. Y'all see each other. Ustedes se hablan. Y'all talk to each other. So this should be a fairly simple concept to grasp. I will include a copy of the grammar PowerPoint, and in your book it should have a very short list of common verbs that you will see with the reciprocal say. Let me know if you have any questions.